POS devices are not simply products. They are the bridge that connect our clients with their customers. Our unwavering commitment is what propels us to lead the market and shape new industry trends. POSBANK is a globally renowned manufacturer of top-tier POS and kiosk hardware, specializing in peripheral devices such as POS devices, kiosks, monitors, and printers. Since our establishment in 1994, we have consistently grown to become a trusted and specialized provider of comprehensive POS solutions worldwide. The heart of our trust and reliability lies within our in-house laboratory. Every POSBANK product is meticulously designed, developed, and manufactured in-house, adhering to industry standards and optimized processes to meet the diverse needs of our global clientele. We embrace the spirit of innovation, combining cutting-edge designs with the expertise of our skilled engineers to deliver best-in-class products. Our commitment to quality is exemplified by our R&D independent POSBANK Certificate Authority tests, where we prioritize quality above all else. Through functional and durability tests, real user reviews, and strict adherence to internal environmental standards and logistics, we ensure that our products surpass expectations. We eagerly listen, understand, and support our customers' feedback, enabling us to create more meaningful solutions. Our Smart QMS facilitates real-time monitoring and enterprise-wide management, driving continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Clients are more than just customers. They are our partners in success. Our new manufacturing plant, strategically located within the industrial complex, enhances our production capacity. With a focus on compliance, all our products are developed in line with RoHS regulations and stringent raw material inspections to ensure superior quality. An accurate assembly line, operated by skilled professionals, combined with rigorous aging tests, minimizes defects and ensures consistent excellence. Our smart factory, encompassing packaging to logistics, completes the entire value chain, fostering innovation backed by industry-leading technology and manufacturing. POSBANK is a global leader with an ambitious vision to be #1 in the manufacturing, sales, and distribution of POS and kiosk solutions. POSBANK, where innovation meets excellence.